Thank you very much. डॉक्टर उदयजी, तुमचे विचार अतिशय महत्वाचे आहेत. आपण त्या सगळ्यावरती नेहमी एकमेकांच्या चर्चेमध्ये पण डिस्कशन मध्ये येतच आपलं हे कसे इम्प्लिमेंट करायचे ते आपण पाहू. आपले तिसरे ऍडवायझर जे आहेत डॉक्टर विजय जोशी, ऑस्ट्रेलियाहून ते आहेत माहित नाही. डॉक्टर विजय जोशी, आर यू देअर? डॉक्टर विजय जोशी.
So was today working?
Hello, please mute yourself. Anyway, look, can I? Okay. Okay. Let us move on. And can I invite Sri Avinash Kale and Vijay Talere? They will speak about our Innovation Academy in a nutshell. As I said, Innovation Academy has a separate day assigned to it on 16th of August. But I will first call Avinash Kale, followed by Dr. Sri Vijay Talere, to talk about our next initiative, latest initiative, Innovation Academy. Over to Avinash Kale.
Namaskar Anandji, very good morning, and Sunitaji.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Thanks. I can see Vijayji as well now.
Yeah.
Before starting, congratulations to Garja Marathi and Garja Marathi family to have this 3rd anniversary. Great achievement so far. And thanks to Anandji to give me a chance of leading the Innovation Academy initiative. Along with the team, I will take this forward, right? So just to give a brief background, I think the core values of GMG is giving back, right? And that still remains. One of the key area what we are going to do in Innovation Academy is to empower Maharashtrians who have differentiated ideas and business ideas, how we can bring them to the global, give them a global exposure and make them business ready, right? So that is one of the things we are going to do. And to start with this, we have set up a webinar series as a first activity of Innovation Academy is to give technology and business topics in next 20 sessions for this year, right? So it is first giving back, and then probably we will have more, we can attract more startups, businesses to help them, right?
So, no, I understand you have shared the email. So I think we have to have a way out of this. Yes, the common goal is to get this app online.
Hello. Please mute yourself. Who's that gentleman?
So all these, there are some dependency items. How can we get closure on the dependency items?
Avinash, I'm muting all, then you unmute yourself again.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Avinash, unmute yourself.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Another key things to emphasize is this activity, or basically GMG Innovation Academy, is no financial interest for GMG itself. So it is a zero equity non-profit initiative, right? So we will, as a team, GMG team will not enter into any specific financial topics with the startups and businesses, right? And of course, we have good mentor teams now who have volunteer to be part of this initiative, and we are going to take their help, take their time to guide the startups and the new business entrepreneurs, right? Towards end of this year, we are also going to close this webinar series with the Global Entrepreneur Day, which we are hoping to happen on 20th of December, right? So that's a brief background of GMG Innovation Academy from my side, but more coming soon. We are starting the series from 16th of August, which will have a couple of topics of technology and businesses, right? Over to Vijay. Vijayji, तुम्हाला add करायचं? Can you add?
Yeah, Vijayji.
Yeah. Thank you. First of all, thank you, Garja Marathi Global, for being me involved in this initiative. and really happy to be part of it. Congratulations to all those who have worked tremendously over last 3 years to celebrate this third anniversary. And as a part of Innovation Academy, I think Dr. Kale has already mentioned what we are planning to do. We are actually, just to add to what Mr. Dr. Avinash Kale had said, we are actually dividing it into 2 sections. First one being for early stage startups or entrepreneurs, to give them a mentoring sessions in the areas of business opportunity identification, business idea generation, startup finance, launching a startup, how to get incubation support. And then later we are also planning to have 6 sessions of acceleration program kind of a thing. So we are also trying to, this is the first year we are exploring this idea, and we are also trying out different models. But this is what we have thought to start with. We will have a mentoring sessions to open to all entrepreneurs who want to take benefit of that. And we will also then have a curated startups for whom we will run the acceleration program. So I'm very happy to be part of this. आणि डिटेल मध्ये आपण नंतर 16 ऑगस्टला एक डिटेल प्रेझेंटेशन आपण करणारच आहोत. So thank you very much, and all the best for everybody on this all committees to take Garje Marathi Global to the newer heights. And we hope to that all the Marathi startup entrepreneurs get benefited from this global initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Vijay Tale. Thank you, Avinash Kale.